Hey y'all, I'm so happy that you've joined me today because we are going old school. I just got back from Louisiana, so it just made me think of all these things that we had when we were growing up. And they're so delicious and they're tried and true. So that's what we're going to make today, a chicken poppy seed casserole. And it's delicious. It's simple. You just put all the ingredients in your baking pan and let it cook. And then you've got supper made with like a little salad, maybe some sliced tomatoes, all these fresh veggies that we have out of our garden now. So these are the ingredients. You put them all in a big bowl, and it's 3 cups of diced chicken. So we'll put that in. 16 ounces of sour cream. And you know that sour cream comes in a 16-ounce package, so container. And so that'll be easy. Just get that one thing, and it's your right amount for your recipe. So hello everybody. I hope you're doing well. I am, and I know that this time of year we want something simple to make and easy and yummy. And so then you put in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Now, you know, people want to substitute things and all like that. I think on these old recipes, the reason they've been around so long is because they're good. And if you can not substitute, it's much better to just go with the flow, and whatever the recipe calls for, use that. So next is 3 teaspoons of poppy seeds. And I have those right here. And then it calls for English peas, little frozen English peas, and carrots. So what I did was I just got a package that had both in it, and I just actually let it sit on the counter for a minute to defrost. And then we're gonna stir all of this together. This is gonna be so yummy. It's kind of like a chicken pot pie maybe. But it's so satisfying. That is the best thing about it. And it feeds your whole family plus, so you can have leftovers if you want. And anyway, these old school recipes are just the best. I just got back from a trip to Louisiana, and it just makes me think about all the things that our mamas made, and our aunts and grandmothers. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. And I want to say while I'm stirring this up, thank you so much for everyone supporting Dana Dash. We have some new grocery stores that are carrying it, and I appreciate that so much. Calantro's in Baton Rouge is a new addition. Lou and Laura's restaurant in Alexandria, and anyway, and some here. I just went out to Brooks Grocery this morning in Chapel Hill and Tennessee Meat Company in Murfreesboro and replenished their stock. And I am so very, very grateful. And there are other people who carry it. Ray's Supermarket in Moncure, North Carolina. Lebo's in the Sinlaw area. There are like 14 stores. They have, all of them have it. Little Eva's Pecan House in Cloutierville, and that is where you can get so many gifts. I mean, they have my stuff, but they have paintings like artists from all over Louisiana. And then Eagleville Grocery here. So, such a great store. Okay, so now I'm putting the whole mixture. I've blended the whole mixture, and I'm putting it in my casserole dish, just a rectangular casserole dish, and you can just tell that it's going to be rich and delicious with the sour cream and the soup and the veggies. So it's definitely a one-pot meal, y'all. Don't you love one-pot meals? I do. Just love them. And you know what? My family likes them too, which just makes it really easy for me. So there's my Dana Dash, my cookbook. You can get them both online And I appreciate y'all so much because it's, you put your heart and soul in those cookbooks, and any product that you put out, you do. It takes a while to accomplish it, and then you're just grateful for everybody that likes it and supports it so much. So y'all please share these videos and comment. That also helps a whole bunch, and I would really appreciate it. Okay, so next is the topping. Now, this is very important. You need to use Ritz crackers for the topping. The little buttery round ones. Number one, they're buttery and they're delicious. And it's kind of like, it's what tastes best with them. So just use it. And then you take 1/4 of a cup of butter and pour it over them. Now, I was meant to tell you that whenever I crushed them, I just put them in a baggie, and then I just use my fingers to crush them. Now, some people will use, like some kind of kitchen tool and hammer it, but you don't really need to do that. All you really need to do is just smush them, and they're so soft, they're easy to smush. Okay, so here is our topping mixture. Ritz crackers and butter, and it smells yummy, y'all. Oh my goodness, it smells yummy. Okay. Think about it. Melted butter on Ritz crackers. So wait a minute, let me show you this casserole. Look, it looks so pretty, doesn't it? All those colors with the carrots and peas and the little pops of the poppy seed. And so then we're going to sprinkle this on the top as evenly as you can get it. I want to say to everybody who follows Miss Dana's Kitchen, thank you so much. I just love that we're a big happy family. And I told the people at the Tennessee Meat Company this morning, every time I go in, I just love visiting with them. And at Brooks Grocery too. It's so fun because now I've gotten to know them. And it's just so sweet. So anyway, thank you for subscribing, following, commenting, sharing. I appreciate it more than I can say. Okay, so here's our casserole. We're done, y'all. All we have to do now is bake it. That's how easy it was. It took 2 bowls, and that's all the dishes that you're going to have to wash. Now here it is. I'm going to bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. And then we'll be back to show you how yummy it is. Okay, y'all, here is our chicken poppy seed casserole. It is bubbly and brown and smells so yummy. So I'm just so excited to do this recipe. It's old and comforting, and I think you're just going to love it. So y'all make it. Chicken poppy seed casserole. Bon appetit.